Iraqi Dinar News, updates on Iraq's financial transformation. Welcome to Iraqi Dinar News, your trusted source for the latest updates on the Iraqi dinar. Today, we're diving into groundbreaking developments that could reshape Iraq's financial landscape. The Central Bank of Iraq, CBI, has introduced key reforms to its currency auctions, paving the way for a stronger exchange rate for the Iraqi dinar, IQD. These changes have wide-ranging implications for investors, businesses, and the Iraqi economy. Let's break down the details and see what they mean for the future. Breaking down the auction system. For the past 2 decades, currency auctions have been a cornerstone of Iraq's financial system. Recent reports reveal that the CBI sold over $1 billion in just 4 days, proving that these auctions are still a critical economic tool. However, significant changes are underway in how these auctions are conducted. In the past, auctions were largely focused on domestic transactions, with cash withdrawals taking place within Iraq. Now, the CBI has shifted to targeting international banks and conducting operations overseas. This move aligns Iraq's practices with global banking standards, marking a significant step toward comprehensive financial reform. Why is this shift important? By engaging international banks, Iraq is moving away from outdated practices and positioning itself as an emerging player in global finance. This transition strengthens the Iraqi dinar and attracts international investors eager to explore opportunities in Iraq's growing economy. Why banking reforms are crucial. Banking reforms are central to Iraq's economic recovery and long-term stability. The new measures prioritize 1. Transparency, 2. Efficiency, 3. Compliance with international financial standards. These changes rebuild trust in Iraq's financial system. Imagine a future where small businesses can easily access loans. International investors are confident in Iraq's markets. The dinar holds its value globally. Such reforms create an environment ripe for economic growth, benefiting both individuals and businesses. Implications for Iraqis, individuals, better access to financial services, loans, and investments. Businesses, a stable economic environment encouraging innovation and growth. The link between non-oil GDP and currency strength. One of Iraq's key reform strategies is diversifying its economy. For decades, Iraq relied heavily on oil revenues, leaving it vulnerable to volatile oil prices. Now, attention is shifting toward non-oil sectors like agriculture, industry, and services. Why is this shift crucial? A diversified economy leads to greater stability. Investments in non-oil sectors reduce dependency on oil, generate jobs, and strengthen GDP. Economic resilience and a robust non-oil GDP attract foreign investments, which, in turn, bolster the Iraqi dinar. Countries like the UAE and Norway have successfully diversified their economies, proving that moving beyond oil reliance can lead to sustainable prosperity. Iraq is taking steps along a similar path, and early results are promising. The role of foreign investment is a catalyst for Iraq's transformation. With banking reforms and economic diversification, international companies are investing in Iraq's non-oil sectors. These investments create jobs, boost GDP, and increase demand for the Iraqi dinar, potentially strengthening its value. A stronger currency benefits everyone, stabilizes prices, increases purchasing power for consumers, encourages businesses to grow with more predictable financial conditions. Impact on Iraqi citizens. The ongoing financial changes have tangible benefits for Iraq's citizens.
Small business growth. Entrepreneurs can access loans to expand their operations. Better public services. Diversified government revenue can fund improvements in healthcare, education, and infrastructure. Increased purchasing power. A stable dinar makes goods and services more affordable for families. Regional and global implications. Iraq's reforms have a ripple effect across the region and globally. A stable Iraq promotes regional economic cooperation and attracts international trade partnerships. For the global community, Iraq's integration into international financial systems presents new investment opportunities. This mutual benefit reinforces Iraq's position on the world stage and builds confidence in its economy. Challenges ahead. While the progress is promising, Iraq must address significant challenges. 1. Sustainable practices, ensuring reforms are long-lasting. 2. Political stability, building trust in governance. 3. Environmental considerations, balancing growth with ecological preservation. The success of these reforms depends on continued government action to foster innovation, invest in education, and support small businesses. Why the Iraqi dinar's future looks promising. With these changes in motion, what's next for the Iraqi dinar? Auction reforms. Better international practices are boosting confidence. Banking reforms. Transparency and compliance attract investors. Non-oil growth. Economic diversification signals resilience. These factors combined could result in a higher exchange rate for the IQD, benefiting investors and propelling Iraq's economy forward. Final thoughts. As Iraq moves into 2025, it stands at a turning point. The financial reforms implemented today are laying the foundation for a brighter and more stable future. For investors, this is an exciting time to monitor the dinar's developments. For Iraqi citizens, it represents hope and new opportunities. If you found this article helpful, don't forget to share and join the conversation in the comments below. Stay tuned to Iraqi Dinar News for the latest updates on Iraq's financial transformation.